Hello, good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you Standard 7th, Subject English, Lesson number 3.4, The Brook, Part 2. I wind about and in and out, with here a blossom sailing, and here and there a lusty trout, and here and there a grayling. Now, here in this stanza, poet, that is a brook. Brook is saying that I wind about. Wind means meander. I flow in a zigzag way. We know that stream does not flow in the straight way, right? It is moving in a zigzag way, sometimes in and sometimes out. With here a blossom sailing. Now, what is a blossom? Blossom is a flower. So, with the wind, when some flowers drop down and it is flowing, it is sailing along with this brook. So, with here a blossom sailing. Flowers are sailing with the wind in the brook. And here and there a lusty trout. Now, what is the meaning of lusty trout? Lusty means greedy. And trout is a type of fish, fresh water fish, which are seen in the fresh water. So, a greedy fish is also flowing in this brook. And here and there a grilling. Now, grilling is also another type of fish. Trout and grilling, these both are the names of the fish. Next stanza, and here and there a foamy flake upon me as I travel, with many a silvery water break above the golden gravel. In this stanza, Brook is saying when it is flowing here and there, a foamy flake is developed. Foamy flake means a foam surface which is occurred on fast moving brook. When brook is moving faster, white color foamy flake has been developed on it. Upon me as I travel. When the brook is traveling, a foamy flake has been appearing on it with many a silvery water break. It means the color of water becomes silver. It becomes silver in color. So it is said silvery water break above the golden gravel. What is the meaning of gravel? It means sandy surface of the earth which is beneath the brook. It is in golden color. Okay, so with many a silvery water break above the golden gravel. Next stanza, and draw them all along and flow to join the brimming river. For men may come and men may go, but I go on forever. Now, here again in this stanza, Brook is saying it is taking them all along with its way. Whenever it is flowing, all these things is flowing with the brook itself, and it is going to join the brimming river. Again, these three lines has been repeated. These are the three main lines, that is, river is going to join its destination to the brimming river, that is the edge of the river. And again, Brook is saying men may come and men may go, means man is coming on the earth by birth and it is going from the earth with the death, but Brook is going to stay forever. Let us go to our next stanza. I slip, I slide, I gloom, I glance among my skimming swallows. I make the netted sunbeam dance against my sandy shallows. Now, here I slip, I slide, I gloom and glance. These are the feelings of the brook. It is keeping on changing mood is of the brook. So, slipping, sliding, glooming, and glancing. Among my skimming swallows. The meaning of skimming is this is a something removing from the surface of the water. And here in this line, something is the fish. So fishes in the brook is getting removed from the surface of the brook. Swallows. Swallows means it is a bird which dives into the brook for its prey. the fish. It means the fish are being removed from the surface through swallows. I make the netted sunbeam dance. Now, here netted means it is a pattern of a net formed when the sunlight passes through the trees and falls on the brook surface. Sunbeam dance against my sandy shallows. Now, here, sandy shallows means it is the base of the brook which is not deep and has sand on it. So, here again, the brook is saying, I make the netted sunbeam dance and against my sandy shallows. Next stanza, I murmur under moon and stars in brambly wildernesses. I linger by my shingly bars, I loiter round my cresses. Now, here in this stanza, Brook is saying, I murmur. Murmur means speaking softly. It is moving very softly under moon and stars. Moon and stars indicate the night time. Yes, during night time, Brook is moving very softly. It is speaking very softly in brambly wildernesses. Brambly wildernesses means wild growth of the thorny shrub. These are the shrubs which are having thorny, which is having a pointed like shape in the jungle. So during night time, Brook is moving from the jungle side. I linger by my shingly bars. The meaning of linger means moving slowly. It is taking more time. It is spending more time in the shingly bars. Shingly bars means it is covered with small round pebbles. So at that time, this brook is taking more time in the shingly bars. I loiter round my cresses. Now, again, the loiter means taking or spending more time in the cresses. Now, what is cresses? It is a pungent leaved plant like a cabbage. Means this plant looks like a cabbage. So, here also Brook is taking little more time, spending some more time to flow from the cresses. Next stanza, and out again I curve and flow to join the brimming river. For men may come and men may go, but I go on forever. Now, here in this stanza, and out again I curve and flow. Same as we have studied earlier, meander. It means a curve. The brook flows in a zigzag way. It doesn't flows in a straight way. So it is taking many twists and turns and getting flow to join the brimming river. Brimming river, we have studied that these three lines are the main important lines of this poem. Brimming river means the edge of the river which is full of water up to its brim. And again the brook is saying, men may come and men may go, means men is coming on the earth with the birth and it is going from the earth with death. Men may come also and men will go also. But brook, that is I means brook. So brook is going to stay forever. So here Brook is saying man is transient, man is temporary, but I am permanent. I am going to stay forever. Thank you.